So we've changed the locks. We're going to make the downstairs, this door here and the back door all on the one key. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just fitting a dormer door closer. This is a residential / commercial door closer for light doors. So something like a wooden door at this size. What is it? I think 820 by 2040, just a typical standard office door. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it so it actually opens just to 105 degrees. So that's at 90 at the moment. And we're going to make it go just that little bit further. Now this door does go pretty much all the way back, but it actually hits against the concrete because the jam's been put in and it's not flush, but that's fine. So we're going to have that in there and we're going to get it about there, I would say, about 105 degrees. And that's plenty of room for people to bring through furniture and all that, and we'll get it closing real good. Alright, cheers, thanks for watching.